Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a closing 6-head drill press. They're 15-inch heads. 4 of them have the Morse taper number 2 spindles on them. 2 of them have the standard threaded drill chuck spindles, 1/2-inch capacity. The table's in good shape. There's a handful of drill marks from fixtures, but it's not all drilled up. The lighting isn't that great in here right now because it's rainy out, and we have a lot of natural light that comes in from our overhead, so it's not going to be perfect, but we do what we can. It's currently wired for 460 volt, but they can be flipped to 230 volt. We have 1 handle for the down on each spindle. A couple of them are missing the down stops. We will take them off another machine we have in the shop, parts machine. We will put the down stops on them, but there's a down feed handle on each one of them. At the moment, each head has the belt on the highest speed, so it's going to run a little louder. Most of the belts are pretty good. 1 or 2 belts do need replacement, but we can run 5 of the 6 heads. The 5th head, the contactor got bumped and broke the switch off on it, so we will repair that before it goes out. But we will run the machine for you now so you can hear how it runs. Head number 1. Stop. And number 3. And number 4. These heads at the moment are running at 1200 RPM. Head number 5. All original paint. Overall in good shape. I mean, we'll clean them up a little better, oil them a little better, make a handful of adjustments, but overall they're good working drills. See this and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's www.mullinmachinery.com.